This is the example for question number 11 on the Unit 5B surface area test retake. Sarah is making a model tent. How much material will she need? And you also had to show all of your calculations. So when we're figuring out how much material is needed for something, that's talking about the outside of the shape, which would be the surface area. So I'm first going to show the formula for this since it was on your test and on your guided notes. You could have used it. So surface area is equal to base times height plus all of the side lengths added together, and then times the length of the entire prism, which is shown with like a cursive L. So base times height is talking about the triangle. And for the triangle, our base and our height make a right angle. So the base and the height are 3 and 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. Plus, we're going to add our side lengths, which are 4 plus 5 plus 5, because the side lengths of the triangle are talking about the outside, times the length of the entire prism, which is 15. So then I can add 4 plus 5, that's 9, plus another 5 is 14. And then I will multiply 14 times 15 before I add back in that 12. So I would do 14 times 15, and I will get 210. And so the last thing I would do is 12 plus 210, which is 222 centimeters squared. Something else that you can do is you can find the area of each of the sides or each of the faces. So the area of the triangle would be found by doing base times height divided by 2. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So each of the triangles have an area of 6. The top rectangle that's kind of where the one that you can see really is 15 times 5. That is 75. And it is the same on the other side. So kind of the two top parts of her tent would both have an area of 75. And then the rectangle on the bottom would be 15 times 4, which would be 60. So it would have an area of 60. And finally, we would add up 75 plus 75 plus 60. So that's all of the rectangles.